Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get airdrops in MetaMask. First, understand that airdrops are free distributions of cryptocurrency tokens, often used for marketing or community building. To get started, you'll need a MetaMask wallet. Ensure it's set up correctly and you understand its basic functions. We'll cover how to find these opportunities and secure your new assets. To prepare your MetaMask wallet, first ensure it's installed as a browser extension and your seed phrase is backed up securely offline. Next, you might need to add custom token details for specific airdrops if they don't appear automatically. This involves knowing the token's contract address, symbol, and decimals. Always double-check your wallet address for accuracy when participating in any distribution. Finding legitimate airdrops requires careful research. Look for announcements on official project websites, reputable crypto news sites, and verified social media channels. Always read the project's specific instructions to ensure you meet all eligibility criteria. Once qualified, you'll typically claim your tokens by connecting your MetaMask wallet to their official platform or by simply waiting for the distribution. Security is paramount when dealing with airdrops. Be extremely cautious of unsolicited messages or links, as these are often phishing scams designed to steal your assets. Never, under any circumstances, share your private key or seed phrase with anyone. Legitimate projects will never ask for this information. Always verify the authenticity of any website before connecting your wallet. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.